Hello,
Hi,
I'm Jake. What's your name?
nice to meet you. My name is Julia.
How are you, Julia?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
That's great. See you soon.
Goodbye, have a nice day. Hi,
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old today.
You're old. I'm 7.
You're so young. I'm hungry. I need to eat something. I'm hungry. I need to eat something.
Me too. Shall we order a pizza? Me too. Shall we order a pizza?
I don't want pizza. I want Chinese food. I don't want pizza. I want Chinese food.
I don't like Chinese food. I don't like Chinese food.
What are we going to eat then? What are we going to eat then?
We can prepare something together. We can prepare something together.
I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook.
Don't worry, I'll teach you. Don't worry, I'll teach you. Let's go shopping tomorrow. Let's go shopping tomorrow.
All right, but let's go in the afternoon. All right, but let's go in the afternoon.
What time do you get up? What time do you get up?
I get up at 10:30 a.m. What about you? I get up at 10:30 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 11, but I stay in bed until noon. I wake up at 11, but I stay in bed until noon.
What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 1:30. I eat breakfast at 1:30. It's very hot today. I'm so thirsty. It's very hot today. I'm so thirsty.
Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
I would like a glass of water, please. I would like a glass of water, please.
There is no water anymore, but I made some lemonade. Do you want to taste it? There is no water anymore, but I made some lemonade. Do you want to taste it?
Sure, why not? Sure, why not?
I'll be right back with your drink. I'll be right back with your drink.